Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of compact luxury and smart design with the 2026 Wingamm Oasi 540.1 Small RV. A beautifully engineered motorhome, this model redefines efficiency, comfort, and practicality in a compact footprint. First, let's talk about the interior. Wingamm is renowned for its Italian craftsmanship, and the 2026 Oasi 540.1 is a perfect example of that philosophy. Step inside and you're welcomed by a thoughtfully designed living space that maximizes every inch without feeling cramped. High-quality materials are used throughout, including soft-touch upholstery, elegant cabinetry, and durable composite finishes. The lounge area features a convertible dinette with a swiveling table, LED ambient lighting, and large windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The compact yet functional kitchen comes equipped with a 2-burner cooktop, a sink, a refrigerator, and ample storage for extended trips. The rear sleeping area provides a comfortable double bed, while the smartly designed wet bathroom includes a toilet, sink, and integrated shower, offering true self-sufficiency on the road. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Wingamm Oasi 540.1 Small RV showcases a distinctive monocoque fiberglass body that is both lightweight and exceptionally durable. Its rounded, aerodynamic shape improves efficiency while giving it a unique and modern appearance. The exterior finish is clean and minimalist, designed to resist weather and wear over time. A compact side awning extends your living space outdoors, perfect for relaxing at campsites. Riding on a compact wheelbase, the Oasi 540.1 is easy to maneuver in cities, narrow roads, and tight parking spaces. Every exterior detail is engineered with practicality in mind, making this RV ideal for both urban exploration and scenic adventures. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Wingamm Oasi 540.1 Small RV builds on the reliable Fiat Ducato platform, powered by a fuel-efficient 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine. Designed for smooth and confident driving, it performs well on highways, mountain roads, and long-distance journeys. The refined suspension setup ensures comfort even on uneven surfaces, while the responsive steering makes it feel more like a van than a traditional motorhome. A smooth shifting transmission and modern safety systems enhance drivability, while driver assistance features help reduce fatigue during long trips. This small RV perfectly balances performance, efficiency, and everyday usability. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Wingamm Oasi 540.1 Small RV positions itself as a premium compact motorhome with a more accessible price point. With an estimated starting price of around $95,000, it offers excellent value for those seeking high-quality European design in a smaller, more manageable package. The price reflects its advanced construction, durable materials, and smart layout rather than excessive luxury. For travelers who value efficiency, craftsmanship, and freedom, the Oasi 540.1 represents a smart investment. To sum up, the 2026 Wingamm Oasi 540.1 Small RV delivers an impressive blend of compact design, intelligent engineering, and everyday comfort. It proves that you don't need a massive motorhome to enjoy premium features and true travel freedom. Whether you're navigating city streets or escaping into nature, this small RV is built to go wherever adventure calls. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.